Congratulations on buying Kent Gold Purifier, which is a part of India's topmost selling range of non-electric gravity UF purifiers. Your Kent Gold purifies water by a 3-stage filtration method without using any harmful chemicals. In the first stage, the water passes through a sediment filter that removes dirt and impurities. After this, the water passes through a carbon block filter that removes organic and chemical impurities like chlorine. This way, any foul smell in the water goes away and the taste of water also improves. Lastly, the water passes through the UF membrane, which not only removes bacteria but also removes cyst. This way, your water becomes absolutely pure. Kent Gold Gravity Storage Purifiers are very easy to install and maintain. Let us see how. There is a manual inside your Kent Gold box. Please ensure that you've got all the parts mentioned in the manual. First of all, let us see how to assemble Kent Gold. But before that, wash each part with clean water and then wipe with a clean cloth. Keep its stand on a plain surface. Now place the bottom tank on top and fix the given tap on it. It is essential to wet the UF membrane before using it. For this, fill clean water in the given syringe and inject it from the outlet point of the membrane. Now push fit the UF membrane in the flow direction in the upper tank by pressing it. Keep the upper tank on the top of the bottom tank and cover it with the lid. Wash the sediment filter assembly thoroughly before installing it. Now keep this filter assembly in the upper tank from the top. To close the lid, press down and rotate clockwise. Your Kent Gold is now absolutely ready to give pure water. Remember, before you start using it, you should fill the inner tank with water and then let the water flow out. Though you have cleaned all the parts from inside, still before using it for the first time, it is essential that you let the water flow out. The assembly is now complete. Let us see how to operate Kent Gold. To purify water, fill water in a utensil. Open its top lid in the anti-clockwise direction and pour the water in the upper tank. Pour it slowly so that the water does not overflow. Now the water will reach the upper tank after passing through sediment and carbon filter. The water would flow on its own from the upper tank to the lower tank after being purified from the UF membrane. This pure water will now be available to you through tap fitted on the purifier. Though your Kent Gold is maintenance-free, still for flawless operation, you need to clean the sediment filter, carbon filter and UF membrane regularly. Let us see how. The pores of UF membrane are very fine and may get blocked from time to time. The flow of water slows down once the holes are blocked, and once this happens, you should understand that it is now time to clean the membrane. You should clean it at least once in 30 days. Take out the upper tank and keep it on a plain surface. Now with the help of membrane pushing fitter, press down the collet, and while the collet is pressed down, pull the membrane out. Now fill 50 ml water in the given syringe and insert it in the UF membrane from the back side, or in other words, back flush it. If required, repeat the process. You must clean the carbon and sediment filter at least once in a week. To clean, take both of them out and pour ample amount of water from the top. If you want it, you can place the filter under running tap water and pressure clean it. Make sure to replace the UF membrane once in a year. Let's find out how. Take out the upper tank and keep it on a plain surface. Now, with the help of membrane pushing fitter, press down the collet, and while the collet is pressed down, pull the membrane out. Now fill 50 ml water in the given syringe and insert it in the new UF membrane from the back side, or in other words, back flush it. After washing, fit the new membrane in the purifier. Once your Ken Gold is installed, it goes on working for years. But it is important to replace its filters at prescribed intervals so that your Ken Gold performs to its optimum capacity. Make sure to change the sediment filter once in 3 months. Let's understand the procedure. Take out the filter housing from the inlet funnel by unscrewing it. Now, take out the old filter and replace it with a new one, and then close it. Change the carbon once every 6 months. Let us see the procedure for changing it. Open the housing cap of the filter by unscrewing it and replace the old carbon granules in it with original fresh carbon granules from Kent. Close the cap and clean it with running water so that even old granules stuck to the bottom of the filter may get washed away. You just saw how easy it is to install, operate and maintain Kent Gold. Now keep using Kent Gold and give your family absolutely clean and pure water, and also safeguard them against all diseases.